One love, one heart. Yo, them where they are good. Wait, is a bird that? Is a bird that? Yo, wanna see a bird here come try eat. Wanna come in, wanna come in, wanna come in. Yo, lift up your claw, turn your claw around this already. Come clip him, clip him, clip him, clip him, clip him. Come now. One feather left. Max, low that. Yo, yeah, say dog. One the feather, yeah. Give me this boy. Yo, walk up before the storm. Walk up before the storm. The storm will come. Why? Wanna save me. Yo, wanna come in. See boy, you try it to brother. Wanna group up. Hold on, yeah. Give me that. Hey, yo, give me that finger, yeah. Alright, hold on now. I bet you him no blue no more. Watch out now. Drop dead. Dead boy. Alright, you done for. Go on. Yo, the place cool, you know. Yo, I mean to tell you that. We can't wait for summer star. Yo, I mean to tell you about that summer thing. Yo, it's a shark that no. It's a shark. Yo, it's a whale. Me say it's a shark. It's a whale. It's a shark. Yo, man, them stop talk about whale or shark. Run go down this man. Them run go down this. Watch him. Eyes fierce.
Okay then, social media comedy, being happy, sad, offensive, it is there in our faces. And vlogger and poet Anthony Brown, a.k.a. Tony B, is here to tell us about his contribution to the ever-developing social media culture. Morning, my friend. Welcome to Smile Jamaica.
Thanks, man.
You did the animation also?
No, not the animation.
You came up with the idea?
Right.
So where did that come from? You just didn't want to go and make some hands kill up somebody?
You know, I was watching the videos and I wanted it to be more appealing, you know? I was thinking, what if it was like a Jamaican, if it had a Jamaican side to it? So I just got the video and did my thing. Yeah.
This comedy thing, you were a little clown in school or something, or you just see something that you could do and say, "I can try a thing"?
Probably not a small clown, probably a big one, you know? Because the entire school would know me for coming up with poems, hosting the events at high school.
At school?
Guys, St. Catherine.
So how do you meld that corporate part of yourself with this part that requires kind of like a very out of the box, off the wall, spontaneous, creative approach?
It's innate, so it's not hard for me to do. When it's work, it's work. When it's time to do some videos, you know, it's just like to do some videos.
So is this work for you or is this fun? Is this something you're doing like seriously doing, or is it?
It's fun, but it's actually what I love and what I would love to be a part of in the future.
Full time?
Full time.
Are you working to make that happen?
Shortly.
You hope?
Time. Yeah.
Okay. Maybe we shouldn't say too much. I'm going to work after this.
True.
Yeah. Okay.
You copyright your stuff?
The previous ones. Because what happened...
Not those that we've just seen, you
know? No, the previous ones. Like my most recent viral video was one with when we had the corned beef problem. You know, my most recent one was that one. So I hooked up with a friend, Peter Rowe. He does the animation. So we have started to copyright our stuff because in the past, when I did the videos, you know, some persons would normally tag me in Facebook and I would see like probably 20, 30 million views, you know, and persons put their name on it, you know.
Right, it's for them one.
Right.
Wow.
So
30 million views?
Yeah, 30 million.
What's the most you've gotten?
That one that just played, someone tagged me in a video, I think it was 45 million.
Are you serious?
45 million
it was not in Jamaica. Yeah.
45 million.
But they understand the patois?
Yeah, man. Yeah. They do just.
But this is when people start to come to you now to pay you money, because if you're capturing 45 million views, you've broken many thresholds that mean you should be getting paid.
Who are you trouble? You get serious and trouble with politicians and stuff? Or
Not yet. I don't want to go there.
Not yet?
Yeah.
You want to make some money for somebody lick you up?
I kind of mess around with like the dancehall artists and persons like that. But not the politicians yet.
Is this a daily thing for you? In other words, do you sit down and say, I'm going to write something, or something that you see, and then you say, I will play on that?
Both, because I write poems as well. You know, I write dub poems. So sometimes something will come to me and I'll do it. And, you know, sometimes I'll just see a video, or Peter will call me and say, Yes, we are going Shensia and Vice Cartel and we say, all right, let's do something. You know, sometimes he would create the animation and send it to me, and I'll just do the voicing. Or if he's busy, I'll just do the voicing and send it to him, and he'll create the animation.
That's
We have
really
another
good.
video that we want to show you guys. Let's look at this one.
One fly, that youth, one fly. Yeah, that's what me got to watch out now, watch out. One more fly, big fat boy, one more fly, me a lead. Watch out again, two fly. Big fat walk this boy, I bet you don't catch a more fly out ya. Watch out now, big flat. What you do, youth? Go on back. Alright, sit down, I take that one. The fly nearly choke me. Watch out now, butterfly. Butterfly, don't get have a throat out, yeah, idiot. Alright, four fly. I bet you don't catch a money. I want to know you with me catch it. Watch out now, big fat boy. Watch out. Let me go. Every fly want to touch off of me, boom. Every fly want to jump off me. Hey, that fat boy.
That was that the one that kind of launched your
Yeah. That was the one that had everybody talking. That was the one that went viral first.
Yeah. Kind of just makes you know that people just want to laugh. They want something to, as simple and as kind of ridiculous as it might be.
Laughter is the best
It
medicine.
really surely is.
Yeah.
Tell me about what happened with Back Juice and Cheese Tricks. Why did they break up?
Because the government, I think they're imposing a ban on it. Or they did already, I'm not sure.
Bag juice.
Is that video already done?
Yeah, man.
Is it done?
Yeah.
Can we see that one? I don't know if is it something that we can play on it?
I
No.
think so. Yeah,
Yes? No?
It doesn't have any thing.
God, I
I
said
try
no,
to make
not
my
on.
videos family
You
oriented.
try or you do?
I do.
Okay.
I do. I don't have a.
So you have no X-rated
No.
ones?
No.
We don't have to be expletive to not be able to play it. There could be other things that
Yeah.
No, that's say you have any X-rated ones.
No X-rated.
Yeah. So what's the future for you, Tony? What is your ultimate vision for your brand?
As I said, I'm a poet as well. I host parties.
Are you
baby
heading to
shower.
stage, you think? Or
Definitely.
TV? What's going on with
TV, Disney Channel, everywhere. The sky is the
Disney?
limit. Yeah. Yeah.
Wow. Okay.
Oh,
Yes?
well, him have a smile special. Hold on, no? Before this start.
Yes.
If you ramp with me,
No.
no, we have shaved
But
you
who
before
else would he
you.
ramp
No,
with?
if you ramp with me, we have shaved you before you.
But
do
who
this.
else would he ramp with?
I'm not even smiling till I see it. Here is a smile. Here is a smile.
Anyhow.
No, but there I try to come up with a name for that game. Is it who have the flattest forehead or who used to teeth the most cookie? La 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 la, la 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 la, cookie world. Me love me cookies, yeah, me cookies too. That cookie world. If you like don't know Rasta, you're not gonna win that game, yeah. So my money depends. Sim right now. See Simone actually a work her way. Hey, me don't know, but to me, Simone remind me of when me used to see my granny go river and she have all 10 buckets on her head one time. Me don't know how she do it. Simone, you remind me of them little Indian woman there we use them hand and dance. You know that little Indian something there, me don't know how them call it, but I saw Simone look to me right now. So up next we have who have the leanest hand challenge. Me still think Nefril have a chance with that one yeah, because you know a football in play I'm not really used to the basketball thing. However, Mrs. Simone I try shoot but it not work. It's like Simone have a personal vendetta against popcorn. Yow! Right now me feel like me there one basketball match, me not lie.
Comes George, got the step and stuffs one move and counts in the foul.
We are seeing a superstar in the making here with Paul.
But not like people, I still really enjoy that little matcha. Anyways, my name is Tony B. Follow me on Instagram at Tony B TV and also on Facebook. Find me anywhere on the internet. But as of now, back to the match between Neville, Lakers and Simone Celtics. Bless up.
I don't know, you know, Lakers is my team. Lakers is my team. That was funny.
Stomach is sore.
That was funny. Respect, Virgin. Really, really good. Good to meet you.
You bet on the right team, though, obviously.
Yeah, I did.
Yeah,
I did.
The odds were good. We're better. Aubrey's crying. Oh my gosh. So where do we see that? Where will you be?
It's on Facebook at Tony B TV. You can find it on YouTube as well, Tony B TV. Instagram, Tony_B_TV.
Yeah.
Before you leave, we will talk about why you have me right across the world and I'm not getting any royalty for
We'll
it.
talk
You know
about
what?
that.
You absolutely need to take up some things to smile about and do some of those videos because we have more than enough material.
Yeah.
Trust me.
That one, that team.
That was tame.
Yeah.
You need to pick up some of the more exciting ones
Tony
and do
B,
some
good
stuff.
to see you. Good to
Very
see you,
cool.
friend. And
Thanks,
keep
man.
on doing what you do.
Very
I
cool.
hope
Good
it
luck.
works for you. I
Yeah,
hope
man.
it works for you. Tony B, stay tuned
my
when we
stomach is
come
sore.
back. Some classy maxi dresses and skin sets, that's it? From FHL designer. On skirt.
Skin set?
Well, that's what I said, I see me on skirt sets.
What are you thinking about?